I used to be the same. I used to use so much essential oils in my house, and I just couldn't get ahead of these teeny tiny bottles and using like 30 drops at a time. But please do not buy your essential oils from these shops. They're not a good quality. That's why you need like 30 drops at a time. I use pure essential oils. The link is in my bio to my essential oils and the information, and you need to make sure that they are pure. There is so many brands out there, and I've tried them all, and the brand that I use is really like, you can do third-party tests. You can send your oils for third-party tests. You can ask them for the results. You can ask them for, and it's always pure. It always comes out pure. If you're using too many essential oils, it's because it's a low quality. I hate it. I used to hate lavender. Now I put it under my tongue. I literally drink it because I love it, because I can feel better. I can feel it's pure lavender essential oil. If this is happening, don't look for a bulk supplier. Look for a better quality essential oil. Look for the best.